Good morning. The mood isn't upbeat for the Indian markets as we are set for a subdued opening. Global investors, of course, are awaiting a crucial speech by Federal Reserve Chairman Ben Bernanke. Markets have advanced lately on Q3 hopes, so naturally there will be disappointment if it doesn't come through at the much hyped Jackson Hole summit. For the Indian markets, another important event today will be the release of Q1 FY13 GDP data. India's growth has slowed down for the past 6 quarters and is expected to slump even lower in April-June quarter. Also watch out for data on fiscal deficit and core sector growth. Meanwhile, the government has ruled out cancellation on coal blocks, ratcheting up its defense against allegation of irregularities in coal block allocations. So brace for escalation in political tension over the CAG report on coal block allocations. The face-off between the government and the BJP is likely to do more damage to the economy, with important policy decisions put in a limbo. Asian markets are mixed to slightly lower this morning. US stocks slipped on Thursday with the Dow down by 100 points. The Dow fell below 13,000 for the first time in nearly a month in intraday trade. European shares also lost ground. World markets will move to the beats of Federal Reserve's annual Jackson Hole meeting, ECB and FOMC policy meetings, and German Constitutional Court decision in the next few sessions. In the August FNO series, the Nifty rallied from 5,130 levels to a high of 5,440. The Nifty ended the August FNO series at 5,315, giving up some of the gains built up over the month. For the September FNO series, we expect Nifty to trade in the range of 5,250 to 5,450. Pharma and mid-cap IT stocks could see some action. Banking and metal will remain under pressure. Japan's consumer prices slid at a faster pace in July and industrial production unexpectedly slumped. The household spending rose. South Korea's industrial production fell for a second month in July as a global slowdown undermined growth in Asia's fourth largest economy. Solid demand and lower yields at Italy's bond auction on Thursday reflects that expectation of ECB interventions are high, underpinning the importance of policy announcement at the next central bank meeting. The FIs were net buyers of Rs 23.1 billion in the cash segment on Thursday, while the domestic institutional investors were net buyers of Rs 3.28 billion as per the provisional figures released by the NSE. The FIs were net buyers of Rs 34.4 billion in the FNO segment on Thursday, according to the provisional NSE data. The foreign funds were net buyers of Rs 4.14 billion in the cash segment on Wednesday, and the mutual funds were net sellers of Rs 797 million according to the SEBI figures. Moving on to recommendations, the technical call for the day is: we recommend traders to sell GAIL September futures below Rs 358 with stop loss of Rs 365 and for the target price of Rs 344. Our derivative strategy for the day is: long Mahindra and Mahindra September futures above Rs 775 for the target price of Rs 791 and a stop loss placed at Rs 767. Thank you. Wish you have a great day ahead.